everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is how I made my favorite breakfast quiche, inspired by the Bad Baby Pie from the Waitress.
I don't want Earl's baby pie.
Here, the list of ingredients will be listed below in the description. So preheat your oven to 400 and let's get started. First, crack all your eggs without getting any shells in them, and then add your salt and your pepper. I used pink Himalayan salt, so I went a little light on it because I'm not used to that salt. And then beat them like it's nobody's business. Add your heavy whipping cream and followed by your milk. I don't have exact measurements for this. I count 3 seconds for the whipping cream and 5 seconds for the milk. That's how I measure it out. So yeah, don't at me. When it comes to your butter, I do use 4 tablespoons and I cubed them. Make sure it's chilled, otherwise cubing it is not possible. Then I got my bacon ready. You can use any bacon you want, obviously. I typically use cubed ham for this, but it wasn't available at my store, so I just used the bacon I already had in my fridge. Slice that up real good, dice that up real good, and then you're going to fry it in your pan. The recipe I use for my bacon/ham is I do a sweet and spicy blend. I do some brown sugar. I do some regular sugar. Then I go in with the cayenne pepper. Followed by some black pepper. Then you're gonna pick your choice of syrup. And don't go heavy on the syrup. We don't want it too sweet. Let that cook and simmer down, then take it off the eye. Get your choice of pie crust, your choice of potatoes. I choose the pre-shredded, pre-cooked potatoes. Then flavor it to your choice. I use salt, pepper, garlic, and onion. Go ahead and add in your badass bacon. Then layer it with some shredded cheese. And then go ahead and add in your pre-made, pre-scrambled eggs with your whipped cream and your milk. Also, mix that butter in real good. Go ahead, pop it in the oven. And set your timer for 30 minutes. That bad boy is beautiful, it's delicious, it smells great, it tastes great, it looks great. And enjoy! Have a good day!